Hello and welcome to a new lesson in the OTM Training Vault. This video is going to focus on shipment tender management by carrier. After completing this lesson, you should be able to log into OTM, search for load tender, learn about tender offer status and tender acceptance status, view details about the load tender, and accept or reject tender. Let us start by simply logging into OTM. To do so, go to the Oracle Cloud page. In the designated space, enter your username and password, and click on the button labeled as Sign In. You will be directly logged into your OTM account. Now, let us check how to search for load tender. After you have signed into your OTM account, click on the option of Online Booking or Tendering. OTM will redirect you to the Online Booking or Tendering page, which shall look something like this. To view the details about any specific shipment, you must provide the shipment ID number in the shipment reference number field. The shipment ID number would have been provided to you in your official email account. After you have entered the ID number, click on the search button at the bottom of the page. OTM will display the details regarding the desired shipment tendered to you. A point worth mentioning is that you can use any criteria in the search field to query your tender. Again, if you wish to view all the shipments that have been tendered to you over time, simply click on the search button at the bottom of the Online Booking or Tendering page. The search result shall look like this. The column Tender Offer Status describes the status of the shipment tender coming from the shipper. The possible status of the shipment tender coming from the shipper are: tender confirmed, not applicable or declined, outstanding, or withdrawn. The column Tender Acceptance Status describes whether the tender has been accepted or declined. The possible status could be accepted, rejected, or no response. If you wish to view the details of any load tender, you need to select the desired shipment by clicking on the checkbox on the left side of the shipment. Then, click on the view at the top of the screen. Please note that the symbol of glasses represent View. Once you have done that, the search result should look like this. After you are done reviewing the details of the load, click on the highlighted breadcrumb link to return to query results. This is all about viewing details about tender or loads. Now, let us learn how we can accept or decline a tender. On the Online Booking Tendering page, select the desired shipment you wish to accept or decline by clicking on the checkbox at the left of the shipment. Then, click on the option of Actions at the top of the screen. As soon as you do that, a list of options will appear below the Actions tab. Click on the option of Accept Tender to accept the tender, or click on Decline Tender to decline. If you click on the option of Accept Tender, a pop-up window will appear, which shall look like this. It will prompt you to confirm your decision. After you have ensured the correct pickup date, click on the option of Finished at the bottom of the pop-up. When you run the query again after accepting the tender, you will notice the Tender Offer Status field has changed to Tender Confirmed, and the Tender Acceptance Status has changed to Accepted. This is how you accept a tender in OTM. Now, let us see how we can decline a tender. On the Online Booking Tendering page, if you click on the Decline Tender option, a pop-up will appear on the screen, which will ask you for the reason of declining the tender. Select the suitable decline reason, and click on OK. This is how you decline a tender in the OTM. This brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching.